folks, Anthony Special here with Hawkeye Traders. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Today I'd like to speak about a company which is an icon, to the American industry here. And this is really an old company, a company that's been in the Dow for many, many years. It's a staple when it comes to infrastructure. So before we do that, of course, let's just take a look at the disclaimer. Everything we discuss is for information and educational purposes only. Please do not take anything as live financial or trading advice, as it is certainly not. But the company I'm talking about is Caterpillar. This company, they've literally built equipment that has changed the entire way the world is evolved. When it comes to infrastructure improvements, when it comes to construction, when it comes to building and even demolition. Caterpillar is really agriculture. They are the leading company when it comes to powering what makes things go round, basically. So when this sets up for an opportunity, it's always something to keep an eye on. So let's take a look at the chart. First, we could take a look at the monthly chart and the weekly chart, and you can see, this has just been on a tear on the back end of the recovery from the COVID sell-off. And even in the COVID sell-off, we went from its previous high in 2018 was around 175, 180. And we just basically tested $90 on the COVID sell-off. So about a 50% retracement into that sell-off, and then, we just exploded from there. And you can see on the daily chart, there's plenty of opportunities to enter long in this stock. Whether this stock may be a little expensive for your taste at $242, this is a very, very liquid company. There are call options that you can buy for a reasonable number and get exposure to the continued movement within Caterpillar. So again, when we look and see how the world continues to move around and things continue to get done and what machinery is used to do that, it gives us a good sense of what company to look at when we're looking to trade or invest our money in. Don't be pushed around by the fears in your mind, but rather be led by the dreams in your heart. Listen, so many of us are driven and controlled by fear. It's sad because I see it all the time. People with such great potential to have everything they want, everything they need, everything that they'd like to have in this lifetime, and life is short. Fear holds them back. Fear of failure, fear of judgment, fear of so many things. But really, the dreams that are held in your heart are what you should remain focused on. Whatever it is that you aspire to be, whoever you aspire to be, whatever it is that your goal in life is, you know what? Hold that near and dear and stay focused on it. And if you can make an improvement or a step towards that each and every single day, you are one step closer. Now listen, some of us may never achieve every single thing that we want, and that's okay. But we will spend a lifetime inching our way closer to it. And that satisfaction that will come with that is, in the big picture, really all that matters. Guys, if you'd like to learn more about how you can identify, companies like Caterpillar on your own, there's a link directly below this video. If you click on it, it'll take you to the Project V-Swarm webinar. In this webinar, I'm going to basically show you example after example of how our volume-based indicators precede price action. Volume precedes price action. It's not a great secret, but our indicators do it very, very well, and we would like to share them with you. So if you'd like to learn more, of course, click that link. Check out the webinar. If you'd like to touch base with us, feel free to email us or give us a call, and you can visit us anytime at HawkeyeTraders.com. And with that, I wish you a beautiful and blessed day. Myself and my staff look forward to working with you. Take care.